Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Pezzy here. In my description, I said I'll be doing Unity tutorials and Java tutorials. So this is the Java series finally beginning. And before we get right into it, I want to thank you guys for bringing me to 99 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you for taking me this far. I make sure and I promise to give you more content on everything that I promised I was going to do. So, okay, make sure to like and subscribe and also comment in this video. Getting started in Java. Java is a programming language very popular, used to make mobile apps, web apps, desktop apps, games, and much more. And today we'll just be starting with the basics. I'm going to take you through the basics of everything about Java. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this series. So, firstly, if you don't have Intellij Idea on your PC, or if you don't have Java installed on your PC, there'll be a link in the description to do all those. But before you click this video, I'm very sure you know what Java is. So just open your IDE. IDE is what you're coding, what you're using to code your Java. I'm using Intellij Idea, so I'm going to open Intellij Idea. For those that are conversant with this, to create a new project, you press New and Project. Okay. Then we're not picking any of this. Next. No, we're not in the template. Next. Name of our project will be getting started. Yes, that'll be the name of our project. This window. So that's how to create a new project in Intellij Idea. So to create a new Java code, you right click on src, which is the source. So write a new source code, new Java class. We're naming this first program. And as we all know, in the beginning of every programming language, they always teach you how to write hello world. But today we're going to make our code tell us welcome to Java instead of hello. Hello world is too popular, so let's use welcome to Java. So the thing about Java is that cramming anything is not going to help you. The only thing that will help you is if you keep writing them. The more you write them, the more familiar you get with them. So we're going to write a code to say welcome to Java. So that's simply public static void main string double brackets args curly brackets. This is the main method in Java. Don't worry, I don't need to explain much in this first video, but as you keep on writing, you're going to be using this. This is the only method that we can be using to run our codes. All our codes in here will run in this method. All the codes in the scope of the main method will run as a Java code. So we want to say welcome to Java. System.out.println. Knowing the logic behind all this don't really matter in the beginning, so just write everything as exactly as you're seeing them, and then as we keep on going in the series, you're going to understand more and why this actually does that. So after writing System.out.println, two brackets and a semicolon, two quotation marks, as you can see, then we type in welcome to Java. So we have a method, we have a string too. So you type this, and when you're done typing, you click play if you're on Intellij Idea, or you can just go to run and we'll click run, and it's going to run this program. Ask you what program do you want to run. We say first program because that's the name of the first code we just wrote. So first program, run, and it's processing, it's passing. As you can see, it said welcome to Java. So congratulations, you just wrote your first Java code. Let's change this to hello world to fulfill all righteousness. So hello world exclamation mark. Okay, that's very normal. So play to run, and we should have hello world here in seconds. Hello world. So that is how to write a code to print out anything in Java. You write System.out.println, and in between the two curly brackets you write a sentence or a word inside, and it's going to print it exactly as you wrote it. So that's it, guys, for this first video. Remember, this is just getting started. As we move on in the series, you're going to see much more fun stuff about Java. Do it to leave a comment in the comment section if you love this video and if you want more content, and in case you have questions on how to install Java or how to install Intellij Idea. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.